Well, day one here. They got all the posts set. And the sidewalls kind of built. So I think they did pretty good. It's quite the post system they got here, but that's half the reason I went with a Morton. My grade was way off, to say the least. As you can see over here. Got a little gap, but you can see how much I built it up before. So it should be high enough. Should drain the water pretty good. That side I didn't even raise up maybe 6 inches, but oh well. It's not horrible, but not good either. But a few loads of rock, we'll have her up in good shape. So they got a lot to do yet, but I'm truly amazed at how much they got done today. So we'll keep up with you. Well, this is what we got after day 2. They're really trucking along. We got all the rafters set, in walls, the walls all done, all the purlings on, windows in. Looking pretty nice. And they got the doors pretty well built over there, but they screwed up. I wasn't here, and I got house wrap to put on the doors and on the sidewalls in case someday I'll probably, or I don't know, eventually I want to have the walls spray foamed and then basically insulate it, and it'll be a heated shop at some point, but maybe once the rest of it's paid off. It's kind of interesting how they when they cemented these posts in, they put drilled a couple holes and put cement and put rebar in it so they can attach all these chains all over the place to push and pull and all that. Pretty interesting. They got ones attached to there, pulling that way. So they definitely got quite the system putting these together. To get this far in 2 days is just unreal to me. So, well, that's what it looks like today. So maybe hopefully I'll make one again tomorrow. So, well, I guess I better do an update. It's actually light out yet. They're real close to finishing. That roof, it only took them, they had a couple extra guys. They put that roof on in probably 3 hours. I mean, they had a bunch of nailing to do yet after that 3 hours, but they had all the tin laid on the roof in like 3 hours. So it's coming along nice. He's got to finish nailing that stuff, that white on the top there. See how far I'm off there. They don't have that 100% done either, but couldn't wait anymore. I had to put a tractor in it. I was working on, when they drill these holes, they, you know, obviously bringing up dirt, so trying to get that started off, and then I'll start hauling some rock tomorrow. Get this thing built up and get that on a little high there. Probably take a little dirt out so that I have a couple inches of rock anyhow. So but there she is, as of now anyhow. So well, we'll catch up with you tomorrow maybe. Well, I guess I better do a final on the shed here so I can put this video together. It's been done now for, I don't know, a week and a half, 2 weeks. Got a bunch more rock hauled in, and I might go inside where it shouldn't be as windy. Getting it halfway where I want it to be. Got it pretty well full of stuff already. Used a bunch of the extra lumber and built myself a bench just to put junk on, whatever. So yeah, working on putting new blades on the ripper. They were shot. Got lots of projects to do. This thing in the shop, it doesn't fit in. It's too wide on the back, so I figured, well, it's a good first project for the new shed here. So got this to do, and got to do a whole rebuild on the corn head. That's going to take a long time, but so well, it's all done and put into use already. So thanks for watching my build of my Morton shed. Glad I went with a Morton. Thanks for watching.